Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, so there's actually like two different ways how we can do this. The first one, you can simply connect this USB-C cable, this cable straight into the port, and this second end of the cable you can plug, for example, into your PC, into your game console, to your TV monitor, and you can actually recharge your smartphone. Also, you can do this by connecting to a second smartphone. So in this case, here I have the Pixel 7 Pro, and when I connect this charger, I will actually start charging my Samsung Galaxy M15 5G. So yeah, you can actually use other smartphone to recharge your Samsung smartphone if you have the double USB-C cable. And also you can use charging brick. In this case, I'm using the Huawei Quick Charge. It's from my Huawei P30 Pro. And I'm using this to recharge my Samsung. So you don't have to actually get the original Samsung adapter. You can use this one from any other brand. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.